Penis 78. And this is semi-emergent. And it's semi-emergent to me because for some reason, the last 2 weeks, I've heard this line probably 5, almost 10 times. And then it comes into the Meet the Penis forum, and it comes in from Milton. Milton, I'm not going to say your last name. And, I asked Alfie if we could do this today, because this is something that really just gets under my skin. And this is the question. I have a penile implant, very satisfied with it. My question is, I still get a natural erection without having my penile prosthesis up. Is this normal? Okay. So usually the question is posed, will I still be able to get my natural erections? Which that infuriates me, because the reason you're in my office is because you cannot obtain or maintain an erection. I could see the maintain. If you're only a maintain guy and you decide to get a penile implant, you got to tell yourself, I'm getting it to maintain the erection, right? I don't want to hear ever again anybody that's watched Meet the Penis saying, will I still be able to get my own erection? That's not why you're in an implanter's office. This young man is reporting something that when Alfie and I hear this from our patients, we get exuberant, because it means that we got this implant in place without beating up his native tissues too much. And when you're randy, horny, whatever word you want to use based on how old you are, you get that natural rush, and it's telling you that you want to have an erection. But the reason that implant's there is so that 100% of the time you have a penetrating penis. All right. So this question posed in this way, which is one of the first times I've seen it, and in the other way, which I hear all the time, it's a question that you don't go into a penile implant if you have any of those sort of questions, because you need to be able to tell yourself, I'm doing this so 100% of the time I have penetrating erection. So that being said, I don't mean to scold anybody, but the way you should be thinking before you go into that penile implant is exactly what we just went over. So going forward, men that are contemplating an implant, get this in your head, because when you do it for that and for the reason, the aforementioned reason, you're going to be a happy patient. So see you on the next one. Bye.